Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna keep it very simple. We're gonna do a full day of fasting and eating. Now, if you saw my latest video, I did another full day of eating, but I let Instagram pick my foods, and let's just say they didn't pick the healthiest food. So I definitely had fun filming that, but that's not how I want to eat every single day, right? So in today's video, I'm just going to show you, look, if you don't do keto, if you're not into carnivore, or if you're not into any type of diet, but you still want to eat healthy, stay lean, but still at the same time be able to enjoy your food, well, I'm going to show you that. That's why I think intermittent fasting is great for people who don't want to do keto, maybe don't want to do carnivore, don't want to do vegan or paleo or whatever. They just want to be able to eat good, whole foods, balanced foods with no restrictions, but at the same time incorporating some type of health benefit. So intermittent fasting is definitely going to be key. So I'm currently fasting right now. As you can see, got my Fast Coach app right there. That is the app that I will be using, guys. Fast Coach, you can download it in the Google or App Store. And as you can see, I've already been fasting for 13 hours. Now you're saying like, Logan, dude, you've been fasting for 13 hours. Yes, it's that easy, guys, because look, this is where your timer starts. The timer starts when you had your last meal the night before. So it's currently Thursday morning. It is, let's see what time it is. Let me show you guys. It is 10 in the morning and I had my last meal at 9 o'clock. That is when the timer starts. That's why I think intermittent fasting is so easy, because when you wake up in the morning, you already have a big chunk of those intermittent fasting hours completed. For most people, when you get up in the morning, you're typically busy, right? Like you get up in the morning, whether you're getting your kids dressed, getting ready for work, doing whatever you need to do. Typically, you don't really eat in the morning. For me personally, I've never been that guy who has to like wake up first thing in the morning and get something to eat. Like I've never been like that. Even before I was incorporating intermittent fasting, I just naturally fasted till about 11, 12 o'clock, even when I worked my 9 to 5 job. I'd get to work, have my black cup of coffee, and then do emails, get my day planned out, go to meetings, then get to work, and then hey, it's lunchtime, and that would be my first meal of the day. So that is why I think intermittent fasting is so easy, when you can fit it into that 12 to 8 hour window. Make intermittent fasting fit your schedule. If you don't work that 9 to 5, it's all good. Don't panic, okay? That's the beauty with intermittent fasting. You can move it. It's just essentially 8-hour eating window. When's the best time for you to eat? Is it from that 12 to 8, or is it later or earlier? It's really up to you. But for me personally, the 12 to 8 is perfect, and I can fit about 4 meals into that 8-hour eating window. And so that's why I love intermittent fasting. And again, you don't have to do keto, you don't have to do carnivore, you don't have to do paleo, you don't have to do anything. You can eat the way you want to eat, but obviously I'm always going to recommend keep the foods whole, keep the foods clean. I'm not saying, hey, do intermittent fasting and you can have cheeseburgers and pizzas and pancakes through that 8-hour window and you won't get fat. I'm not saying that, definitely not saying that, but I know I've been rambling about how intermittent fasting works, but that is what we are going to do today. So typically when I'm intermittent fasting, I like to stay as busy as I can. Currently knocking out client emails right now, and I'm about to record a challenge for the Fast Coach app. One thing that I'm always have on me is water, guys. Water with electrolytes. So if you're gonna be fasting, make sure you drink some water with electrolytes. You can have black coffee and some tea, but you can't have anything in your coffee. Like you can't have any sugar, any milk, any creamers like that. Just keep it black. And then when it comes to tea, you can have tea, but don't put any honey or whatever you put in tea. Personally, I wouldn't know because I don't drink tea. But yes, we are almost done, guys. We are almost done with our fast. Let's see, look at this. Look at that. We are, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can the camera see that? We are almost a minute away from breaking our fast, and I'm still currently not hungry. So that's a cool thing about intermittent fasting, guys, is like you can go as long as you want. Look, oh, you just got it. Oh, did we get on? Okay, so I just got a notification right now. It says, congratulations, you completed your 16-hour fast. And you saw a little confetti through a little party. So I can currently eat right now. What I'm probably gonna do is continue to work. I'm going to call Gaines Bakery and order some food, and then I'll have my first meal of the day. So I'll see you in a bit. So before we break our fast, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsors of this video, Starseed. Guys, if you've been following me on Instagram or if you've been following me on YouTube, you know I absolutely love Starseed. So I actually met them at Paleo FX last year in Austin, tried their product and was like blown away because one, I've never seen it before. never tasted it before, and I've never heard of them before, and their story is amazing. They come from the Amazon rainforest. This seed was discovered very recently, but the people in the rainforest, they knew about this, and so it's just a really cool story. I don't want to tell it because I know it won't do justice, but I promise you, go check out Starseed and check out their story. It's an amazing, amazing story, and I think it's something that's really, really cool. So one of the things I absolutely love about Starseed, guys, is that it's easy to eat straight from the bag. It's just like a nut, except it's a super seed. It's 0 net carbs, 9 grams of complete protein with all the essential amino acids, and 7 grams of omega-3 fat fuels. I also love their Starseed butter. You can just tear it open and eat it, and it's a perfect snack for those of you who are in that middle between meal. And again, it's gonna have everything you need, so it's gonna give you all the energy you need. Also perfect for the ketogenic diet. And then next up is the Starseed oil. It's a delicious source of omega-3 and antioxidants boost, which is obviously gonna be great for your brain and body. It's organically sourced with omega-3 fatty acids, free of contaminants and heavy metals, so it's not gonna get that crappy taste. It's easy to add with your salad, soups, pasta, shakes, or whatever you want, like coffee. Like I said, I can't recommend Starseed enough, guys. I do have a discount code. Check it out in the link below, or if you wanna go to their website, I do have a code 20 Goody Beats for 20% off, but I'm telling you guys, you're absolutely gonna love this nut butter. I know you've seen plenty of nut butters out there, but I'm telling you, until you had Starseed, then you compare all the other nut butters. I'm telling you, you will be blown away when it comes down to what they have in their nut butter compared to the competitors. Starseed will blow them away, hands down. So I just finished the latest challenge on the Fast Coach app, and my food is here, guys. So it's time to break my fast. And so we're gonna walk downstairs, show you what I'm eating. It's not too crazy, it's pretty basic, but it's gonna get the job done. So let's head downstairs. Then we got this little vegan right here, guys.
I'm fasting too.
He's fasting too, definitely. What are you going to? You're going till like, so we have leg day at 5, so that means that you're gonna probably fast till about 4.
Actually, what day is it today? Thursday? Thursday. I'm gonna do a 38-day fast.
38-day fast, guys. All right, so this is what I'm having. Pretty basic meal, but I promise you, man, this tastes phenomenal. It's like becoming my new favorite meal. So what we have right here is we have 6 ounces of chicken, 200 grams of white rice with some sweet poppy sauce, and then I believe the sriracha maple vinaigrette may be in the chicken already?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's in the chicken. That's why you guys don't see it how I normally put it when I just drizzle it. But that is gonna be meal number 1, guys. So we gotta get 3 more meals into this 8-hour eating window. But that's how we're gonna do it, guys. Full day of eating and intermittent fasting. All right, guys, so now that I got that nice meal of meat, it's time to work out. Today we are training legs. I'm running late, so I know Ross isn't there already getting started. So enough talking, let's get this workout in. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
Oh.
Try those hips down. Good.
7.
Come on, 15 here.
10.
Big legs here. Good, bro. Good. Come on. Don't be a little Biden bitch. Come on. 20.
7. 8. 9. 10. 11.
Come on.
Exit.
Last one. There we go. Good job.
All right, guys, so that is the leg workout. Shout out to Ross. He's still on the other side, still recovering. Man, I'll tell you what, these leg days are freaking epic, man. I cannot wait to get on this new fit with Rick. Ross, good workout. Rick,
next week.
Good workout. Let's do it.
I'll have them, man.
Do it, man. All right.
They're on the way.
All right.
They're ordered.
All right, guys, so time to go pick up meal number 2 and then head home to see the girls. Okay, guys, so stop by Gaines Bakery for before I head home for meal number 2. And this
already closed.
Yes, we're already closed. And this homeless person made me this amazing meal. I mean, look at this. Amazing homeless person. It's okay. Okay, so what are we having today?
We have an Asian Yum Yum with 6 ounces of protein, 226 grams of carbohydrates. The Asian Yum Yum has our Chinese takeout on it and our Yum Yum topped with green onions and sesame seeds.
Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing, but let's see how it looks. So,
Looks like shit.
oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, guys. This looks phenomenal. I'm probably gonna eat this on the way home. So meal number 2 going down. All right, guys, so we are home and having dinner with the girls on our little table.
I got some Chinese.
You got some Chinese food?
I got Mina.
What's Mina eating?
Chinese.
Chinese. So, all right, so you're eating some Chinese? All right, so I'm definitely gonna, I'm getting called out, so I might as well just accept it. The girls are eating Panda Express, and I am eating my, I guess my Chinese bowl, right? I don't even remember what they said it was, and I know you obviously just saw the clip, but that was like 15 minutes ago, and I can't remember. So I am going to eat this. The girls are gonna eat Panda, and we're gonna watch the end of Frozen because that's what we do. We watch Frozen about 5 times a day. Yes, you heard me correctly, 5 times a day. Dinner time, but technically meal 2 for me, and yes, I am behind in meals. I think I'm only gonna make it to 3 meals, but maybe we can fit in 4, maybe. Okay, so I got about an hour left before we need to start our fasting clock again, and I am well behind in meals. So I've only had 2 meals for the day, and quite frankly, I feel pretty fine, but I know I need to have a big meal in this next one. I feel like having anabolic French toast again. I know, like I'm gonna be addicted to this French toast now, but I think instead of doing egg whites, I think I'm just gonna do regular eggs so I can get those calories up and those fats up, and then add something to it as well because I definitely need to get the macros up. Okay, so I decided what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 3 whole eggs. So we got 3 eggs right there cooking up, whipping it up. We have, now I only have 3 little toasts from the Sola bread, and then this little bitty cute little one that is like literally the size for like Mina, but I'm gonna eat it anyways. And then, like I said, we need to get our fats in. I'm gonna go with the Starseed nut butter. So I'm most likely gonna add this nut butter in with the French toast because each one of these bad boys has 14 grams of fat. So 14, that's 28 grams of fat. So that's definitely gonna help get the calories up. And my pan is about to burn, so one moment. All right, guys, so time for meal number 3, and we have our anabolic French toast, or whatever you want to call it, high-fat French toast. So as you can see, we have the Starseed chocolate and peanut butter on top right there. We have the Walden Farms pancake syrup, and then we got the Sola bread. The one thing I really want to talk to you guys about is fasting. So yes, I had my first meal at about 12:15. That doesn't mean you absolutely have to stop 8 hours after that. Look, life happens, things happen. That's the beauty with intermittent fasting. Make it fit your schedule. So because things got in the way today because of my meetings went long and work went long and then my workout went longer and I only was 2 meals in, only with like 2.5 hours left, I could easily keep this going to 9, 10 o'clock. Now, would that obviously open my eating window? Yes, and you would technically say, well, Logan, you're not doing an 8-hour window. It doesn't matter because I'll just adjust the next day. I already completed the 16 hours of being fasted, right? Now I was shooting for an 8-hour eating window, but with life getting in the way, which is all good, it's gonna happen, you can prolong that to 8 to 10 hour eating window, and then you just make up those hours the following day. So let's just say, you know what? I don't wanna stop here. I wanna have one more meal. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to have that meal until 10 o'clock. No problem. That just means I'm not gonna eat till about 2 o'clock the next day. So you just adjust. So don't freak out. I know a lot of people freak out like, oh man, dude, 30 minutes, I gotta hurry up and eat. I gotta get this meal in, I gotta get 1 meal in. It's not that serious and it's not that complicated, okay? Do not make intermittent fasting complicated. Make it fit your schedule, make it fit your lifestyle. And again, if you do keto or you don't do keto, it doesn't matter. Intermittent fasting is for everybody, which is why I absolutely love it. Enough talking, let's dive into this third meal. As you can see, oh man. Loving it. All right, everybody, so that's going to be the end of a full day of fasting and a full day of eating. I hope you guys did like it. I think the moral of this video is I want to express that fasting is a great tool. Fasting is something that anybody can do, and it's something that you don't have to like be super hardcore about, right? Especially if you're someone who doesn't like keto and you don't like all these like diets that restrict fat, that restrict carbs, and you just want to do something that's balanced, but you also want the benefits of intermittent fasting and losing weight and building lean muscle, then I would highly recommend trying intermittent fasting. I think it's a great way for people to start off who maybe are like, you know, I don't know, I heard this about that diet, I heard that about that diet. Hey, no problem. Try intermittent fasting. It's super easy. Make it fit around your schedule. You don't have to make it super hardcore where like it's 9 o'clock, I gotta have my last meal. That's not how it has to be. And so with that being said, about to start my fasting clock right now. Again, guys, I use the Fast Coach app. Yes, I am biased because I am the owner or the co-owner of Fast Coach and Keto Coach. So I would highly recommend everybody go and download the Fast app. So about to hit my fast right now. Boom, here we go, guys. Starting my fast at 8:46, and it says I will eat tomorrow at 12:46 if I want to reach that 16 hours. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. As always, if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, fam? What are you doing? Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and make sure you download the Fast Coach app. I love you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.